Imagine this. No suit, no spaceship. Just you, dropped on a planet. How long could you survive? Mercury. No atmosphere. Just raw exposure. The sun-facing side hits 430 degrees Celsius. The dark side drops to minus 180 degrees Celsius. You'd boil or freeze depending on where you land. Time to death, about 2 minutes. Unless you're lucky and pass out first. Venus. Looks peaceful, pure hell. The atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. Pressure is like being 900 meters underwater. Temperature is 475 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury. You'd be crushed, melted, and suffocated. Time to death, less than 1 second. Earth. Well, this one's home. You're fine here. Let's move on. Mars. It looks survivable, but it's not. Atmosphere is too thin to breathe. Temperature is around minus 60 degrees Celsius. Without pressure, your blood starts boiling, but you won't feel it. You'd pass out in 15 seconds, die in 1 to 2 minutes. Time to death, 1.5 minutes. Maybe slightly longer if you hold your breath. Don't try it. Jupiter. It is a gas giant with no surface. If you somehow landed, you'd fall into high-speed storms and be crushed by pressure long before reaching the core. You'd implode deep inside its atmosphere. Time to death, about 1 second. Crushed instantly. Saturn. Same gas giant story. But this time, you get sliced by ice crystals, tossed by wind speeds up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. Then comes the crushing pressure. Time to death, 2 to 3 seconds. A very chaotic 3 seconds. Uranus. It's the coldest planet. Around minus 224 degrees Celsius. You'd freeze instantly. Plus, its atmosphere is full of methane, hydrogen, and ammonia, all toxic. Time to death, less than 1 minute. Frozen and poisoned. Neptune. It is almost colder than Uranus. The winds are up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the solar system. You'd be tossed like a rag doll, freeze solid, and die before you could blink. Time to death, 30 seconds. Pluto, dwarf planet. So far out, sunlight is barely there. Temperature is minus 230 degrees Celsius and no air. You'd freeze solid in under a minute. But hey, at least you'd die, peacefully floating with a view. Time to death, 45 seconds. If you like this, subscribe for similar ones and comment to suggest more.